Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am actually going to talk about the best product recommendation that is going to make your makeup long lasting and transfer proof. These are the best products that I have in my collection, and especially for the summer and hot humid season, these products are the perfect picks. So I have quite a couple of products, and I do have few products from Kiro Beauty as well. You guys know I do really love their products and I absolutely use them on a day-to-day basis as well. So let's get into the video now. Also, if you are someone who's new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it here. I hope you like the vibe. I hope you like the content. Anyway, if you end up liking the content, you can hit the subscribe button, along with that the notification bell as well. So let's get into the video now. So the first thing that I have here is a really good product. It is not only transfer proof or waterproof, but at the same time it gives such a good coverage as well. I am talking about the EBA Must Have Liquid Foundation. Now I think a few of you guys asked me before as well, what is the best foundation to use on a day-to-day basis that is good for summer, that is transfer proof and long lasting? I definitely have to give it to the EBA. I think so. Their foundations are really good, and the formulation is extremely good and skin-like. It's not too dewy, it's not too matte, so I feel like a lot of people who have oily skin tone, normal skin, and along with dry skin people can definitely use them. I love the coverage that this gives. It gives to medium to full coverage. You can build it up definitely to a full coverage. I absolutely love this foundation for longer wear. So the next product that I have here is a concealer recommendation. Now I pull this concealer out during summertime. I love this. Again, it's not too matte concealer. It's not a dewy concealer. It's right somewhere in between. The best part about this concealer is that it's full coverage. Although it's full coverage, it sits so nicely on my skin and it's extremely long lasting too. I feel like the L'Oreal Infallible line is like a really long lasting line. So yeah, this is a concealer that I like to use. You just need a very tiny amount when you use this concealer. So I like to use this for a longer wear, you know, when I want a concealer that I want to wear for a really long time. That is my pick. So the next product that I have here is a compact recommendation. Now I have used this compact so many times on my channel. I think you guys already probably know this. So this is the Kiro Botanico Timeless Matte Compact, and I am in the shade Nutmeg Beige 04. Now this compact, I love it because I feel like it's a very versatile. Now today I use this compact with a very large fluffy brush and dusted it all over my face after applying the foundation and concealer. So another way you can use this compact is just on your bare skin. Because it does have coverage, you can just directly use it on your bare skin. Just use a primer and this compact and you're good to go. Today I used it with a foundation, but again you can use this on your bare skin too, and you can use this with a sponge in order to give you a little bit more coverage if you want. I already use a coverage foundation, so that is why I just lightly tap this powder and it does set your makeup so nicely. It's non-transfer proof, it's long lasting, it's just going to make your makeup long lasting as well. And you can see the close-up that my skin definitely looks very smooth at the same time, smooth and a little bit of that soft matte effect. So a really good buy for this summer season. So I use this compact powder again for my eyes. Like I didn't use a crease eyeshadow today, but I did set the concealer that I put around my eyes as well, on my eyelids. So you can use it as that too. So as you can see today, this is the eyeliner that I have on, and this is the Kiro High Definition Soothing Eyeliner Pencil. So this is the eyeliner pencil and you can totally use it for your everyday looks too. Now the best part about this eyeliner pencil is that it is extremely smooth. Like it gives you a one swipe pigment, but once it sets, it sets. It's not going to budge. It is extremely transfer proof and long lasting. The best part about this is that I do have a watery lash line. Like the lower lash line that I have is a little bit watery, so most of the times eyeliner don't tend to sit that well on my lower lashes, on my lower waterline actually. So but with this one it was quite easy. Again, very pigmented. You do get a little bit of downtime to apply this eyeliner. However you want to use this eyeliner, you can use it, and then it just sets. It sets into a really nice matte finish and it's extremely long lasting too. So the next product recommendation I have is an eyeshadow stick, and it is from Kiro as well. Now this is the Kiro Long Wear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick, and it is formulated with vitamin C and mango seed oil. Now this eyeshadow stick, why I'm recommending this to you guys is because I love the formulation of this eyeshadow stick a lot. You can use this on your bare eyes as well, like you have no makeup on, just use this and go out the door and it's still going to look natural. The formulation of this is, I would say, very cream to powder finish. Like it's not completely a creamy formula. When you apply this, it goes on really nicely, pigmented, very creamy, but then it sets into a beautiful powder like finish. Today I used it only in my inner parts. I love this sort of eye makeup because it's very subtle. At the same time, it gives a little bit of something to your eyes. I mean, it just opens up your eyes so nicely. So another thing I do want to say is that because of the formulation of this product, it is a very versatile. You can use this on your cheeks as well, like a cream highlight, I would say, because it does set into a powder finish, so you can use it. It's very subtle. It's not full of shimmers, so you can totally use it as a highlighter. I feel like it's a really nice go-to product. You can just use it on your eyes as a cheek highlighter and you're good to go. So yeah, definitely a product that I personally like to use when I'm doing like very nice soft subtle looks. Really good product. The next thing we have here for mascara recommendation has to be the Kiro Botanico Super Shield Mascara. Now I have used this mascara so many times on my channel, and I think you guys already know how I love this mascara. I just think that it gives volume to my lashes. It's not a lengthening mascara, more so I would say it's a volumizing mascara, and it doesn't smudge at all. During the summer season, during hot and humid season, I feel like a lot of the times we do have the problem of mascara smudging into the lower waterline or just smudging all over our face, you know, later in the day. But with this one, it never happened even once. The formula of this mascara is quite thick. It's not a runny formula. You can totally see a huge difference right after you apply this. I don't like to go in with 2 or 3 coats. I just like to apply 1 coat and I'm good to go. So this is a mascara that is not only just waterproof, at the same time it's very long lasting. It is smudge proof too. So for my bronzer recommendation, I feel like I don't have a particular bronzer that is extremely long lasting, but I feel like this is the most long lasting bronzer that I have in my collection, which is the Makeup Revolution, and it is the super bronzer. Now this one I love it because this actually gives a little bit of warmth on my cheeks, and at the same time this gives a very nice soft effect, and this is extremely long lasting too. I feel like, you know, when I use cream bronzers and on top of that I use powder bronzers, that makes it much more long lasting. But if you're looking for a powder bronzer that is not only just is going to warm up your skin tone, but at the same time is going to last you a little bit more, I feel like this bronzer is the one, and I use it on a day-to-day basis, especially because I love the shade so much for this summer season. I have been using it for quite some time. The next product I have here is a blush recommendation. Now this is a beautiful blush. I think I have talked about it and I have said that how much this blush is long lasting. Like this is the most long lasting blush that I have, and this actually, I love the shade so much, but I definitely do want to purchase it in a nude shade. This is the perfect this is actually my perfect go-to summer blush. Now the best part I like about this is that it looks very natural. You can use this with your fingers, you can use this with a brush too. It totally depends, you know, on your choice and preference, but I feel like it not only gives a matte effect, but at the same time just gives a flush of color to your cheeks. It never overdoes like this type of blush, because or else your cheeks are going to turn clown like. So just use a very tiny amount and you are good to go. So this is a blush that I feel like is definitely transfer proof. So the next product I have here is from Kiro as well, and this is their liquid lipstick. Now I have been eyeing on their liquid lipstick for so long. I absolutely love the nude shades that they have. They have a variety of shades in their liquid lipstick formulation, and I love this shade so much. I feel like this is a perfect red lipstick for Indian skin tone, and I totally love how it complements the eye as well. I just think that it is beautiful, and not only that, it is completely matte, but it's not drying. Like a lot of the times matte liquid lipsticks can be drying, but this one is non-drying. At the same time, it is transfer proof and you can eat your oily foods and it's not going to go away. So that is why I like it, because it is one of the most long wearing lipsticks that I have, and this shade is like so beautiful. It is a red shade, but it's like not too neon red. That is why I really love this shade. I feel like Kiro lipstick, you know, all the shades that they have complement a variety of Indian skin tones, so you can totally look for any other shades that you may like in this liquid lipstick variant, and I think you are absolutely going to love it. So the last product that I have here is a setting spray. Now I have talked about the setting spray so much that I'm not going to go too much into it. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me setting spray. I love it so much. I do think that this actually helps to make my makeup long lasting. It says it's oil control. I totally see that. It definitely does make my makeup very soft matte, gives a very nice soft matte effect, and it makes my makeup transfer proof too. I have mentioned this time and again on my channel, so again, not going to go too much deep into it, but this is a product that has been helping me, you know, with the humid days that we have currently going on. It has been quite a help, you know, in just making my makeup stay for a longer period of time. So what I did today was I did a tissue test after applying all the makeup, so that you can see that this is non-transfer. Like this is not going to transfer at all. So after all my makeup is done, what I did today was I did a tissue test. Now I took this particular tissue actually, and I dabbed the tissue all over my face. You can see that there is no transfer at all, and I feel like all these products are so good. You can definitely check out all the Kiro items that I mentioned in today's video. I will leave all the link in the description down below. I absolutely love them. I love all the products that I talked about. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Let me know what is your favorite product for this summer season that you feel like lasts a really long time. I would love to check it out, because I am doing a lot of summer makeup, summer, you know, inspired makeup tutorials, and I feel like it would really help me out a lot as well. So if there is any product suggestion from you guys, I would love to hear about it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.